In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Fedex account with Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store admin, go to Settings, then open Shipping and Delivery. This is where Shopify lets you manage how shipping works for your store, including carrier integrations and live shipping rates. Next, scroll down until you find the Carrier Account section. In that area, click Connect Account. Shopify will then show you a list of available shipping carriers that you can link to your store. From that list, select Fedex. You will now be asked to enter your Fedex account details. Fill in the required fields, including your account number, meter number, API credentials, and password. Make sure everything is entered carefully and exactly as provided in your Fedex account, since even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. After you have entered the information, click Save. Once the account is connected, go back to the Shipping and Delivery section. From there, find General Shipping Rates and click Manage. This is the area where you can control the rates shown to customers during checkout. Now choose the shipping zone where you want Fedex rates to apply and click Add Rate. When Shopify asks how you want to set up the rate, select Use Carrier or App to calculate rates. This option allows Shopify to pull live shipping prices directly from your connected Fedex account instead of using a manual flat rate. After that, select your preferred Fedex services. These are the shipping options you want your customers to see at checkout. Choose the services that best match how you want to ship your orders. It is a good idea to review them carefully so your customers only see the delivery methods you actually want to offer. When you are done, click Done, and then click Save to confirm your changes. At this point, your Fedex account should be connected to Shopify, and your selected carrier calculated shipping rates will be ready to use in the shipping zone you updated. If you want to make sure everything is working correctly, it is helpful to review your shipping settings once more before leaving the page. That way, you can confirm the correct services are selected and the setup is saved properly. That covers everything you need to know.